Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a feedback on the StartNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here you can find the last green option, the help and feedback, at the lower side of the home screen. And here you can select the feedback type. You can type your feedback, you can upload pictures, and you can leave your email address. And if you finish, click to the submit button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.